na hamu. Maya den kete asa mo ankasa mo ye mo say mo amaban no. Are you guys crazy? What is wrong with you? Yay. Why? Ah. Asa mo tete to na Jimmy sa. Ya ka mo pese mbete. The reason is say obi be ka so cat o ka so be amaban no 1 year me 1 year so. Yeah, kwa no.
So me din the Gogo artists. Ghana TV. You best say me best subscribe to the channel no. Na mo fa wa adwen kire bra comment section. Mo like na mo share my information mo bia. Abusia for Captain Smart mo buefu John Dramani Mahamani ni NDC aban. Osi, omo ade crazy and omo jimi ama say dey na ye omo. Ena ye bisa say Captain Smart enti ene ansa na wo hu say the NDC no Jimmy Fordos wo ana. Ene ansana we hu sa na yama no. Say this is the resetting now. Mo promise ye me. Resetting ni for 9 good months. Government in power, government are why you did the opposition. I will promise a lot of people. You've promised a lot of youth in this country job. Up to now, to me, you can't boast of even just 1 million people even 500 people. To me, apart from the appointments, why your own party, Ghanaians are still suffering. Ghanaians are suffering. There's nothing that is happening in this country. Look at what is happening in the president's hometown. People over 13,000. And I want to see and Cote d'Ivoire. What of other countries are? Ghanaians have moved there. You see, if you see where they are sleeping, maybe I'm more done. And yet, but this government, the omu say how to oppress their opponent. That is the only thing they are thinking about. A lot of things are happening. Look at the fights happening in Sampa right now. Every blessed day, be a BBC. Since this government took over, every blessed day, be a BBC. I'm just for Mama Yanko. Then what's here? And kete asa mo ankasa mo ye mo say mo amaban no. Are you guys crazy? What is wrong with you? Yay. Why? Asa mo tete to na Jimmy sa. Ya ka mo pese mbete. The reason is say obi be ka so cat o ka so be amaban no 1 year me 1 year so. Ye kwa no. Ye ntra ho na aban we so say no me nye because aban we enemy image nanam meka biom presenter bia ni asasi so a oye adwuma ma aban we cheme even NDC presenters no kura no hum say yeah kewo we are champion hey moi etienne na ho na sa we minister we DCU we MP we say aban we yenye ye be you to abonten tem. Look the way amu ye no as obi a president di enti Jimmy sa mabu bodamana adwuma no wo ho esesa mo yo no obi a ye na den so be obi a president di MPs no be a line say Mabna be the president na why minister Abraham be dia why DC we be dia no why say enti we nam wuram we so nam wuram we nam wuram ho so na wo ho aboda mana me meka den tamach de wo ha wo pata me wo pape masem me mfa ho. But I buy way to the yeah man say I buy way yeah man say you yent na ho etimu amona mase nkete ye hu nyina mo sheda ye ne man nkete mo amogigi sika wa MPP for ho no ye di mu nyina hotel bi ovotareje mo koye meeting na maje kakra hotel bi osunyane
e wo kwan ho ura suya ne kuro ba wo nsabonkum membo bia facility din na makoshem na my meeting na maje kakra. Why are you deciding say you will make the vice president unpopular? Why? And this is for Mabadamana. Mabadamana. Oh, Jena no Pokwajibai. Opa and popular. Opa man and popular. Or a vice president. Or a vice president too. Who the day she is the first female vice president of the Republic of Ghana. It is a opa ye non popular. We you one you we vice if you are president now. Or the vice president of this republic. Are you guys crazy? About a month or two ago, I said say we must sumo kuje to afidie mwa. Ene Sam George afidie. Say we must de Haruna ka ho. Ah, we must de Haruna ka ho. Ena enkofo bi so abomode atena se obi e ho pa ahihye afidie ama Julius Debra. Eti wo mo tesa ama Julius atom say tom. Ya kwa kwadi nkruma first. Galam say your problem e da ho. MPP ntimi ansolve aban we so ntimi solve ye. Yen ka no kwancho galam say na aban we or twene to ase or panto. Wontimi. And also enkrofa say da kosum amaboa afidie. Say ye suma amaboa afidie ba na tom na president ayidadi. Ne de oba bi aba. Ebe ye NDC for na amaboda mana. Mo party for no from ho soon say come de won. Mo party for they are crying oh. I am coming from Western and Central region. I know what I'm telling you. Me the make catch now. My party for them from holiday are crying. Now, Papa be no woman and I could be cham crum. Oh, go more touch my. Your friend ya mabre. Openi ya mabre. Auto bicycle na bicycle in fin no trap plywood share no tro ho. E wo mitrim. Bicycle your friend say Buzanga Volvo no trap plywood no the shame fin no tro ho. E wo mitrim. O de bidie so na tro. Enti so to na hohoro na wasa kwotro e wo mitrim. Ena na openi tasola ne baba ma bako oyemumu your friend ya omumu. Who say ya ma brande bi odi bidie na tro. And okofa anker boy ne red paint. Bicycle ni si Ahmedi afo aso dan no ho. And ya mum kofa red paint no. No de fefa mu ma no e wo mitirim. NDC for now, wo mu di machi no. Wo no wo di nkoma wo say e wo yetirim. They know what they want to do. And share what you have to do first is to sort Mpanyinfo war party out. Make us sorting out and can't just say Kwaseampanii Ghana is come out. Because penny ba coupe otumi control nipa be 3,000. Mpanyinfo su mu youth ni su mu hunyansa ntrase what to do. You are thinking about making the president unpopular. You are thinking about making the vice president unpopular. Setting traps for your own ministers. Are you guys mad? Meme kasa ni etuam ka o. Enti mo ye amekasa anti bi so e dey me dey general betua. Madam. Then I have NDC for. Then I have Eniaman kitten sabuye na krodwe maje adwani na aboba amaso papa we onunkwa na eba na muti akire instead say mo be ye adwuma na aboa no Jimmy.
All right, Amusia. So Captain Smart and the allegations be brave eba e video na ye hwe same Amusia fo and when I'm last we catch madam for be say the ST or MPP mu ene a NDC for they are jubilating say oh when Kennedy, any Dr. Mahmoud Baumia camp for their own Tokwane, the other. Me see, the best when it's Ebuboba, the best when this Ebuboba. What they want to was we MPP here, compare chilled coke and I said Sprite. Na the best when this best see the ACs here. And I tell them, Miss Umika and Kofo said, with the idea, say we should go and vote for a flag bearer early. No, it is a nice, good idea because, by the time we internal politics, and sana NDC the best start giddy. Because since that minimum can say you won't go for more General Mosquito camp, and I will go for more grammar camp, Minister of Education, Haruna Edusu camp, and in Julius Debra camp. Me see, the abyssino, and the bet the SC or MPP. Into Mudiam to Mwasi. Now, Julius, Mr. Julius Debra, Captain Smart say, Omasu Fidie Ama Okujeto a Blackwa, Julius Debra, Moani Adiade. It was your NDC for Nankasan and Yom. These are home match. They are playing home match. And so, we will sit somewhere and be watching them, and the baby will bring it to you back to back.
Obi say 8 months, Eswa. Because John Dramani Mahama Mayet here 2012 from January to August. Says MPP Dana Done Bamian and then court Bosman Watria. Kobetuma ye Niama Pa Bamu delay Amembunu Bosman Watri. What it means is that Asamna Jomama Kano will translate into a na. What it means is that Bosman Watri, it means the yard the papa. But Bosman Watri, apart from $1 call from by 10 cities, they say 1044 no.